How to cancel follow requests on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll see how you can easily cancel follow requests on Instagram. It's quite easy, but before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That would help us out a lot. Now let's just get into it. First thing you have to do is open up Instagram, then tap on the search icon at the bottom. Tap on the search bar and simply search for the person that you want to cancel follow request from. So what you basically do is tap on follow, and if it's a private account, it will send a follow request to them. Now you don't see any cancel button after this. What you basically have to do is tap on this requested button and it will automatically cancel the request. So let me show you guys again. Tap on follow to send a follow request, and then tap on this requested button to cancel the request. Now let's say if you don't know the person you've sent, the username of the person that you've sent a follow request to. In that case, you want to download your information off of Instagram. Tap on the profile at the bottom right, then tap on the three dots at the top right, and go to Account Center. Once you are on your Account Center, scroll down and find your information and permissions, then download your information. If you don't see the option, click on Export Your Information. They've changed the terms for that, so let's just wait for a bit. Click on Create Export, and then you basically have to select your Instagram account from there. Tap on Export to Device, and then you'll be taken over to this next page. You can select and customize your information. So let's just do Customize Information. It's going to select all of the options like likes, meta monetization, reports, snaps, messages. Now, if you just want certain specific information, you can just select them. I'll just leave it as it is and then go back. Then tap on Start Export. Make sure that you select your date range. I'll just do, let's say, last month because I want to unfollow someone. I sent a follow request last month. Tap on Save. Tap on Start Export. And then it's going to send a request to Instagram. Once your export is ready, you'll have the download button here instead of cancel, and then you can easily download your information, find the username, and then search for the username and cancel your follow request. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.